Hello, everyone. The self-evolving agents and all the research is happening, right? So many strong evidence right now. I strongly believe this will impact everyone's life. But the problem is all these things are happening in large AI labs only. For every rest of us, like traders, consultants, scientists, or white collars, we don't have this access. So looking back into all the research, into history, this is actually called data-driven decision-making or business intelligence, right? So this has been there for decades. And actually, it's a Stone Age version of all the research, just not that auto. You still need lots of analysts and data science in the loop, right? So large players like Databricks or Palantir or McKinsey, they can easily charge millions of dollars for the projects. So for everyone's workflows, so actually the bottleneck is not AI, but the data and knowledge infrastructures underneath. So let me introduce our team. My name is Yao Lu. I am an assistant professor at National University of Singapore. And before going there, I was a researcher at Microsoft Research in the last 10 years and working on data and AI infrastructures. We also have experts from XAI, Google, and McKinsey. So we also have these super individuals, my PhD students from Tsinghua, Yaoban, several IMO medalists, and we're collaborating closely with the world-class material scientists, and so on. Okay, so given this, given our expertise, what we really want to do is how we can revamp this Stone Age enterprise-grade compute analytics knowledge data infrastructures into the new agentic format and democratize this so that everyone can use to improve, to use auto research on their workflows and improve their domain knowledge, improve their domain values. Okay, so we have a deep technical background. So we have developed Flow Mesh, which is a replacement of Ray, to deploy agents anywhere. We also have the LumidLake, which is the agentic analytics engine, to offer up to 100x speed up than VRM, at least in our research paper. We also have this XPIO for agent memory, skills, and knowledge graph, and so on. So how this works? Okay, so this is the dashboard for the users. There's already 4 applications deployed, ranging from tradings to AI research to daily jobs like email handling, etc. So everything the users can inspect, like how the workflows runs, how all the research is helping them to improve their performance. For example, this example, we have a system research, and there's a natural language to SQL workflows, and the AI helps the improvement for the accuracy to boost to 80% in the last 100 rounds. And all the data analytics and the compute infrastructures are wired for daily users. They don't need to hassle on these matters. Okay, we have observability. You can just query the AI for what's happening, and also the analytics engine is already wired in this loop. So users can also easily create their workflows using a natural way. Okay, so you can just grab the skills from the market space and assemble the workflows for you. Then AI research auto research can start. And we have this XPIO marketplace for GitHub-based repository for the knowledge and for compositions. And the skills flow back to the users, and you can be stronger instead of some companies monitoring the employees and watch what they're doing and build model and then kick them out. Okay. So for now, we are having a 1.2 trillion target market space, service market, and we're focusing on this super individuals, small teams, and small teams in enterprise level. So finally, you bring the intent, agents bring the wheels, and we bring the engines. And human and AI will coevolve. Thank you.
All right, thanks to our amazing pitching teams. And I want to get a little attention here. I know we still have a long lineup for food, and rest assured we'll have more coming up, and likely we're going to display either in the room or outside to minimize the disturbance to the afternoon session. So at this point, I would like to welcome 3 really amazing, helpful community that we work with in curating this event. First of all, I will have Sophie Ren to come up and say a few words, and welcome her.